right at the Sani Beach resort, and this is probably the most expensive part of Halkidiki. In this video you're going to see the beach and a little bit of the marina. If I shoot a video right here in the hotel, right behind me here, and the dunes, that is going to be a totally different video. So I'm going to shoot only here on the beach, on the marina, and a little bit behind me in the bungalows to see the beauty of it. This is probably the best place in Halkidiki, the most luxurious and it's most recent. It was built, I'm going to put the year right here. So enjoy the video and subscribe and like my content if you like and love my content. Καλησπέρα. Usually is a bit more crowded, but we are shooting on the 23rd of May, so it's early season, it's pre-season, so there are not a lot of guests. This is where the shops are, right beside the ships, the yachts. So pretty much this resort has it all. We've tried this restaurant here and the food is excellent. And we were here like 2 or 3 years ago, so this place, it never fails to amuse us. This is an old style Greek taverna. And I'm sure that the food is great here.
Which one, honey?
Hey, where are you?
This is the church. They have their own church. In Greece, they're traditional Orthodox, and they're pretty much very religious. So this is a beautiful church. The tennis courts right there, right over there, right next to the church. And right behind them, they're over there, right up there, there are hills, you know, with forests. You can go hiking all over the place, you know. It's the whole resort is situated in a beautiful natural environment. Here are some olive trees. Very nice. If you want to stay here and you're not guest of the hotel, you're gonna have to pay 60 euros per set of sunbeds and an umbrella and everything else is extra, even if you're staying at a hotel. This bar was open last year in 2023, but now it's closed because the camping site behind the beach bar, it's sold and it's under construction. If you don't want to pay 60 euros for 2 sunbeds and an umbrella, you can come and stay here for free. But make sure to bring your own towels and an umbrella. Excuse me, how much for a set of sunbeds and umbrella?
They don't allow here. We don't allow here people that are outside of the hotel.
Only guests?
Only guests, right?
Okay, thank you.
But
Thank you.
if you want to try with my manager, because even if I wanted to give you a sunbed here, I can't. But you can ask my manager there.
Okay, later. Okay, thank you. Thank you. They all say that, but if you ask politely and find the right place, you can find a place. Now let's see the view up there. Is it any good? I doubt it. It's not going to be. Okay, this is the end of the video. Very, very beautiful views. You can see the whole beach from here. It's very nice.